However, I have an update on the GoAnimate Cannot Be Waited website. So basically, I just got this old GoAnimate For Schools header working again. And, all that stuff. Just got it working. Yes, I know some GoAnimates have used this in the past. When GoAnimate For Schools shut it down. So I kind of decided to revive some stuff a little bit. So we're going to be discussing about the importer. So basically, I know when some of you try to import, then that thingy would disappear. Well, I got it fixed. And what the issue was had something to do with how the CSS thing was styled. So now when you click on the import media thing, you can read more info about the Swift. Yes, you can do that. I got a question mark on it. You can select your files. You can select your image. There you go. I got that back. And not even joking, folks. I got that thing back. Yeah, you can kind of import how you want this to be. Yeah, I think some just froze. Folks, we have a problem. Some just froze. Yeah, I have no idea why it didn't respond. That's not how it works, so when you click on background plot, it will start importing, but right now the path doesn't work at the moment. So you may well just have to wait until I get that working. Yeah, that's what we may have to do. Oh yes, and the second thing I want to talk about is the preview. So basically, I think some of you know about this old preview window. We are actually offline, but actually, there also used to be a preview window at GoAnimate For Schools too. Also GoAnimate tutorial, thingy as well. So yeah, I decided to get all this to work. So this is how I have so far. So we have a video maker working. Yes, you all know that. But I just got working as starters on here. So yep, we click on starters. You can click on currency the whole video. You type in whatever. And then save your starter. It will just save it like that. And it will load your current 2 videos. This one has literally. This one's literally the current scene, and it literally loads just fine. You could say multiple at the same time if you even wanted to. So if yeah, you can save as many stars as you like. The issue here is it gets deleted every single time on the reload. So you go on the whole video and then you just do. If you save it as a whole video, well, I have no idea why that happened, but I think it's because you only have one scene. So when you go to your whole video, you type in, yeah, that. This should come up as 2 scenes. Yeah, it duplicates right there, which can be useful. Especially if you accidentally yeah, this can be useful. This can be useful. But off of that, I got some other stuff working. You can now preview from certain scenes with a preview window. So this works now. Yeah, this works again. Especially if you click on the replay button, it always starts with the same frame. Yes, you all know that. Starts with the same frame every single time you would play it. It's literally the same frame. Yeah, I'm not really joking. Because this was built on older technology, so this was easier to revive. Also, this old video player also have an old GoAnimate For Schools wallet, which was easier to revive the voices on. So that's definitely good there. It was easier to revive the voices. So I'm definitely glad and thankful for that. So yeah, stuff. Now I'm gonna delete some starters. Yeah. Now I will talk about is the voices for a preview. So basically, we go to your theme. I can't do it now since I went to the library, but I can by reloading the thing. So like, when you reload, it takes you to this GoAnimate thing. Yeah, it takes you there, and boom. It basically just loads the GoAnimate thing for you. And next, yeah, now that you're on Copy World, what you're gonna do is you can go to your characters, and it will load all the characters you might need. So like, star characters, submissions. Yeah, there are pretty much some old characters, including this one. I do not know who this is, but yeah. Let's certainly take that as an example. Then we do our dialogue, and then text to speech. And then we do, yes, that's none of the other voices work. We're gonna use Paul. So that's all I can think of right now. And then we're just gonna do it in a text subject.
Test.
So you click on add voice. And then you'll probably know it's this. So like when you click on preview, even though this has a GoAnimate watermark on it, but still,
Test.
the voices will remove. So that's quite useful. It also has a GoAnimate watermark on it too, which is quite useful. So you have this old GoAnimate stuff. So like you have this old GoAnimate watermark, and yeah folks, you just have all this stuff now. So that's pretty useful. Yeah, you cannot select all these options as this is useless. You cannot select any of the other options. So the theme selector is pretty much useless. Because GoAnimate added GoAnimate Rapper added so many themes. I have no idea why. But not that many themes are needed. At least the old voices got added, but not a lot of themes were needed. Though, like Chowder. Yeah, all of us 2011. Yeah, what was needed, I think, was Comedy World, Cartoon Classics, Business Friendly. Yeah, we cannot do Business Friendly because that is illegal to copy off somebody's themes. So, we're not going to do Business Friendly, even though it's already added on it. I have no idea why they did that. I have no idea why. All I know is that my friend told him Kyle makes business friendly a little bit, but yeah, Kyle doesn't like it like that much. He only uses it for like business friendly plots. So I basically have no idea what is going on behind it. So yeah. Just there you go folks. There you go. That's all I'm going to make. That's all I'm going to make for schools header tour. Yep. I'll give you the full code when it's done. The full code. When it's done. Right now, it's still in beta. Right now. Yeah, I don't think that's anything to do with HTML. It's something to do with some JavaScripts. There you go. Your best GoAnimate code. I'm signing off.